Hey guys, it's me, Bacons, with Cherries, and today we're going to be playing, we're going to be challenging each other to all the jump games on the game. So here's the first game. And whoever wins the most wins, I guess. Right, I'm going first. Okay. Oh, yeah, back on down. Shoot, I didn't need to do that. You got one down. There we go. You still got one down. You should have picked it. It's still yours. You're going to get it. It's not. So it's pointing at you. Yeah, it's a boost. It's a good. What's going on? Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Right, we're not going to freeze the ball. Yeah, because that always freezes. Always, literally. I know. Don't worry, let's just quickly do it. I don't know. Okay. How did you... Oh, sorry. No! No, you did that. Haha. Let's see. That's what I get. Come on, just take. It doesn't matter. That's bad. How do you know? No, I didn't know. Of course you know that. Oh, let's try that. Try that. No! Oh, thank you. I'm really bad at that game. I'm good at tic-tac-toe and board jams. Those are the ones I'm good at. Yeah, we'll play tic-tac-toe. No, I'm choosing. No, we'll have to play Scoop. No! I hate that game. I didn't like that game. No, I always mess up. Right, I didn't mess up. I can just miss my she pink. Okay, I won. Whoa! Just press that. Okay, so I won that one because that's why I hate it. You never win. You don't like it when you do. I don't even know this. Smart. Oh. What do you have to do? Well, it says it really. You just have to hit me. Oh, my turn. Whichever one you hit out first. It's kind of stupid. So you're yellow, so you've got to hit out all the other ones. Okay. Right, it's my turn. So I'm doing my turn now. Yes. Oh shit, I got a busy yellow. Haha, I'm winning. I've got two left and you've got... No, you've only got one anyway. Right, so my turn. No, it's your turn. Right. I'm okay now. Does any get me? Oh, thanks. No! I got out. Yeah, I'm right. Okay. Wait, where are you aiming? Yes, I can. Chat has been shut for one day due to... I was trying to do a trolling video earlier. Check out my channel and basically my bubble chat got suspended. So I'm allowed to chat for one day. Cute. No! We've both got the same. If I don't get those two. Okay, wait. Double. Don't get yours, please. Oh, wait, that's right. Oh, God, this is... I've got one more to get out. No. Hopefully she gets that one. Right, okay. Hurry, I'm trying to tell you. Oh, thank you, I win. No. Ooh, darn. Thank you, I got one more win. Can you try again? So, you have to get the last one. That'll be easy. Oh, it's my turn. Oh, no, it's my turn. Why don't I get yours out? Oh, dang. That one. What the heck is this game? Was that a tie? It was my... What the... That doesn't make sense. It made me get out one of those. What the... Oh, my laptop is on our laptop. We're gonna have to do a transfer. I just need to get back onto the laptop quickly. What do you think? Now, let's try and get it forever. No, wait. Oh, wait. I need to try it. Yeah, wait for that. Okay, I'm just turning it back on now. Let's talk about my channel, how awesome it is. I'm gonna actually go on it. I think you need to start watching my videos. How are you done? Wait. Next we play Sheldon. I know this one. Oh, I don't even know this one. It's just some cherries. I like this one. Cherry. Yeah, I should like eating cherries in real life. I already know where it is. Wait, look at mine. We're not listening to each other. This is mine. Try to like it. It's gonna get faster. It's gonna make it real cute. I'm not entirely sure.